Hello, Cindy. How are you doing today?
I guess I'm not doing the best today.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, Cindy. What's going on?
Well, my husband recovering from having surgery on his hip.
Right. Yes, I do remember you mentioning that last time we met. How is his recovery going?
Pretty well. Much better day by day. Slowly improving.
Good. That is great to hear that your husband is getting better.
He's getting better.
Right. Good. So you mentioned a little while back that you had broken your ankle, and then a few weeks after that, you said that you'll be needing surgery. So where do you stand with your medical problem?
Well, now that he's getting much better, I have to schedule myself for an appointment to have that surgery done that I need to do on my ankle. I've been procrastinating. I've been putting it off while
Right.
I took care
Right.
of it, but now I will need to take care of it.
Okay, yeah, so you had to take care of your husband. So now it's getting time. Okay.
Right.
So,
I'll definitely.
okay, yes, definitely soon. Okay, good. So, what I hear you saying is now that your husband is getting better, you can now work on scheduling your surgery. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, great. So, this is definitely a move in the right direction. Now, I recall you saying that you're not doing the best today. Would you like to elaborate more on that?
Well, I received a call a
Mhm.
little earlier explaining that my dad had
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. Why was he sent to the hospital? Do you mind sharing?
I was told that he wasn't doing too well and that they needed to help him there and they had to run some tests.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, that's good, that they're keeping him safe and taking the precautions needed to make sure that nothing is wrong.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I'm glad he's there.
Right,
I just worry because my dad and I just started to get close again
right,
in the past couple of years. Due to my rocky path, with my youth and addiction, our relationship was not the greatest.
right,
And that lasted a long time. And now that things have improved and I started to get touch with him, I just don't want anything to happen to him.
right. So I hear you say that you and your dad weren't always close when you were in active addiction, but now that you're close again, you hope nothing bad happens to him. That is a completely reasonable and understandable feeling and emotion.
Yeah, I want him to be okay so I can
Right.
have more time to spend as a family together. I feel like I lost a lot of time.
Right. Right. And that makes a lot of sense. It is definitely a normal reaction to instantly worry and think about the what if.
Exactly. I'm just so worried and scared that the worst possible outcome happened. Now that now this is all that's on my mind, I really, in the past, this would have led me to relapse. Like, I haven't even thought about relapsing. I've not even been thinking about scheduling myself to do on my ankle, actually. I've
Right.
really just been focusing on, trying to make sure that my dad is okay.
Right. I know what you mean. I'm glad to hear that this has not led you to relapse, as that is a huge milestone in your recovery process. You're also putting someone else before yourself. It can be hard to focus on yourself and what you need to get done when your dad is in the hospital. What do you think your dad would want you to focus on?
I'm sure he would want to focus on my recovery. He was so proud of me. I know he would want me to take really good care of myself
Right,
and stay clean. I know he would say, stop procrastinating on taking care of yourself and schedule that surgery for your ankle.
right. Right. Also, what do you think your dad would say to you if he knew that you're worried about him?
He would tell me to not worry and to have an and to think positively about my situation and to be grateful.
Right. That is a very good point. So let's think of, three or a few things that you can do in the next week that have to do with taking care of yourself. What are some self care activities that you're willing to engage in before we meet again next week?
Well,
Yeah,
I'm sure I can take good care of myself because when I feel good, I tend to focus more on the positive and less on the
right.
negative. I really enjoy spending time with the dogs. I like getting outside
Right.
and walking the dogs.
Good.
So I engage more in that on a daily basis.
Right.
Um, I'm willing to try meditation.
Okay.
That skill we went over in the group session
Yeah.
last week.
Right.
I constantly have to work to try and calm down my thoughts, especially when they get negative. When my
Mm.
thoughts turn negative, I find myself dwelling on that slippery slope down to the worst possible outcome.
Right. Right.
And you said three things. I think that maybe perhaps I could take a bubble bath or do something to try and help relax myself
Mm-hmm.
and unwind. I think
Yeah.
that would be really helpful.
Right.
Maybe I should make myself a checklist.
Yeah. That'd be a good idea. I think those are some great self care ideas that you came up with. Make sure to engage in these activities before we meet next week so then you can tell me next week how it all went.
You know what? I'm going to do that. I'm going to make myself a list. I'm going to check everything off.
Good.
And thank you for listening to me today. It really helps a lot.
Good. No problem at all. That's what I'm here for. I hope you have a great rest of your week and try to keep your head up.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
Good. Take care. Bye, Cindy.